Kicking things off with this high-stakes gauntlet.
Boatload of stuff on the line here. Let's talk about the World Heavyweight title as we just heard, man. MVP, you lay it out there. At sacrifice, winner of this gauntlet gets an opportunity at Magnus, our World Heavyweight Champion. It'll be very interesting. Here's the Cowboy. Pretty hated fella, Mike. Recent actions with Gunner and Gunner's family, his dad.
No question, Cowboy James Storr, first man out in the gauntlet, where we will determine the challenger at sacrifice on April the 27th for Magnus.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, man.
And his opponent from Atlanta, Georgia, Gunner!
Couldn't have a better way to start the gauntlet, could you?
I would not want to get in the way of this man, Mr. Intensity. Right now, look at this. After what we saw, the Cowboy, that heinous stuff, hitting in the skull with a beer bottle in the head. Oh, of Gunner's dad. Horrible actions by Storm, and right now he's paying heavily by Gunner.
Let's lay out the rules of the gauntlet. First two men, Storm and Gunner, they're going to battle for 2 minutes. Then 2-minute intervals. We will have competitors coming in to compete. There's only one way that you can be eliminated. That's over the top rope.
Yeah, you got to have eyes in the back of your head. You got to be smart. Right now, it's a one-on-one situation, but as you just lay down, this ring, we're going to get another fella competitors out here. And again, opportunity at the world title.
Ooh, a rocking kick from outside by Storm. Drilled Gunner right in the back of the head. Check out the Cowboy. Up the middle rope. Here he goes. Oh, caught in midair. And Gunner connects with the fall-away slam.
Mike, you're right. You got to be thrown over the top rope completely out of the ring here. Your feet have to touch the ground to be eliminated, and that might happen to the Cowboy right now.
Yeah, on the verge right there of being taken over the top. But now Storm back in, fights back, and rakes the eyes of Gunner.
And the Cowboy, he has just been hell-bent, just on a violent mission, but he's dealing with Gunner.
Absolutely loaded Impact Wrestling broadcast tonight, live on Spike TV, including, yes, the return of TNA President Dixie Carter, and someone's going to feel the wrath of our TNA President.
Yeah, definitely. We've heard, oh, wait, watch out here. Looks like Storm was in trouble. We heard TNA President Dixie Carter say during the week, you know, some talent, some TNA talent, they're going to feel the wrath of Dixie. Mike, you might be in trouble.
What are you talking about? What do you know?
I don't know.
We have not.